With that, we've got our Baja Designs S2 reverse light kit, as well as the OnX6 Baja Designs behind the grill light kit installed on this 2024 Raptor. That, along with our fog pocket kit and our A-pillar kit that we installed last week, pretty much rounds out the lighting setup for this truck right now. The next step is to take it out at night, see how she does. Hey guys, Matt here with BuiltRight Industries. As you can see, I'm at the front of our 2024 Raptor build project, and once again, I'm holding a light. This time it's a 10-inch bar from Baja Designs. We're going to be installing a pair of these OnX6 lights behind the front grille of our 24 Raptor. Let's get into it. All right, so we'll take a look at what's in the kit here. I couldn't help myself when I pulled this out of the box earlier. But this is the other 10-inch bar. We got what we need there, and then we've got a pair of harnesses. I believe what the install entails is that we're going to remove a couple of the louvers on the grill and then use those mounting points to install these brackets. Once again, just like the bars, this is a beefier piece than it looks in the photos. They're bigger light bars. You're really getting your money's worth in this kit. So I'm going to finish unpacking this, and then I'm going to start taking apart the truck. I love that Baja Designs includes this kind of a packing kit. So those are the two lights. We've got the two brackets here. We got the splitter harness. I got the larger harness. I've got the variety of different pieces of hardware and spacers. That is probably all what's in this. So, good to go. So this is going to vary a little bit from their instructions because this is a 24. We're just gonna see. I'm gonna remove all these clips so I can get this plastic piece off. Too fast. Remind me to grab that when this is off. There's a series of wiring harnesses here for like the camera and the lights and stuff. And then the washer nozzle. So I'm going to disconnect 1, 2, 3 harnesses plus the washer fluid. And then I think we have to go take off the fender flares. What a fight. All right, so we're taking out the bottom 4 slats on each side to mount these OnX6 lights. I think for the S8s, you only need to take the bottom 3, but that would be something that you should check with Baja Designs about. I'm gonna get these other 4 out, and then I think what we do is set up the lights. That is very easy after you go through all the rest of this. Set these aside. We're gonna go back in. So we've got 2 identical brackets. I think it looks like it sweeps forward here to get up into the grill. and it mounts on the second and third post here. So I'm gonna grab some of that 1/4 20 hardware that's included and get this bolted into place. With that, we have all 4 bolts in here loosely, so I am going to snug them up. I think they'll straighten out. We just need one more extension. All right, so obviously these lights shipped with clear lenses. Decided we're gonna do the amber lenses. We're gonna stick with the driving combo lens, but the rest of the lights on the truck are clear. These ones are tucked behind the grille. Being that they're behind the grille, these will be the hardest ones to swap the lenses on later. So I kind of am deciding, since I'm leaning towards amber, we're gonna start there and just do it once. All right, simple enough. On a lot of the Baja Designs lights, I believe the O-ring groove is in the housing. On these lights, it's in the lens itself. So I'm making sure that the O-ring doesn't have any debris, making sure I don't add any debris to these lights. And I'm just gonna tip this back into place. This is a little quick and dirty, but we're going to power these lights so that I can aim them. That was great. So with that, we got the lenses swapped, we got the behind the grille LED kit installed. I'm gonna close this up. We're gonna go install the S2 reverse light kit, and then we're gonna go test them out. All right, moving to the back of the truck after finishing up that behind the grille kit, we have an S2 reverse light kit, again from Baja Designs. It's gonna be 2 of the S2 Sport lights. We've got some hardware and zip ties. This is probably a splitter to combine the 2. And then a wiring harness here that's gonna allow us to just tap into the existing wiring in our tail light. And a pair of brackets. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these brackets mounted up. We'll get the lights mounted to the brackets, and then we'll finish the wiring. Done with the driver's side, onto the passenger side. got the wiring harness laid out here. This end is going to connect to the light that I've got on the passenger side. It comes over to here. This is going to connect to the driver's side light, and they both meet at this connector here. And then this connector is going to plug into this harness here. This is going to tap into the light coming out of the tail light here as the power and signal for these lights. And then we're going to grab a chassis ground with this. So the first thing I'm going to do here is pull the tail light out. So we're tapping into green brown. It's got some bed liner spray on it. Nice. They work. They're great. All right, so with that, we've got our Baja Designs S2 reverse light kit, as well as the OnX6 Baja Designs behind the grille light kit installed on this 2024 Raptor. That, along with our fog pocket kit and our A-pillar kit that we installed last week, pretty much rounds out the lighting setup for this truck right now. The next step is to take it out at night, see how she does. We'll see you next week.
He has been having way too much fun with these. Definitely only off-road, not using these on the road. All right, see you later.
Massive for being just 10 inches long. So we're going to, I'm just saying the same thing.
Did you just throw yourself off by saying that?
This thing is massive for being...
What's up? How's it going?
No, you're good. You're good.